Hello students, I welcome you all the online classes. We will dealing with the democracy. In this video, we will get to know about the democracy. Key elements of democracy, types of government, history context of democracy, evolution of democracy in modern society, and some other forms of government. Children, all of you take your social book in your hand. Everybody take page number 217. Page number 217. Social and political life. Today we are going to see about the chapter 1. Why democracy? Why democracy? Democracy is a form of government in which the people have to say who should hold power and how the power should be used. The word democracy is derived from two Greek words. Demo means people. As a citizen we can say yes. And karos means rules. Power to rule. Democracy is a form of government in which the people rule themselves, either directly or through representative. See, in simple words, democracy is the form of government by the people, for the people and of the people. It's said by Abraham Lincoln. India is a democratic republic country. The president is elected head of our state. India has a representative democracy. In democracy, people have all the power in their hands, which they express through elections and public opinion. Today, most of the democratic countries in the world, like USA and UK and some of the democratic countries are there, okay, are republics. Some democratic countries are constitutional countries. In this democracy, we have two types of democracy is there. Direct democracy and indirect democracy. We will see in the back, okay. Now, we are going to see about the types of government. See in the slide, government have some types are there, yes. That is monarch, dictatorship, anarchy, military, republic, democracy. See, if you see about the monarch, the monarch is a form of government, A monarch means what? A king or a queen. They have the absolute power, and the power they have can be rule that nations, okay, that country. Monarch is a generally hereditary, okay. See, when the monarch dies, the eldest child of the monarch, usually the eldest son, automatically becomes the next ruler. Monarch means what? ராஜாவோ அவங்க ராணியோ ஆளலாம். ஆனால் அவங்க சப்போஸ் இறந்துட்டாங்கன்னா அவங்களுக்கு பதில் யார் தான் ஆள முடியும்? அவங்களுடைய மூத்த பையன். Okay, that person only can, the eldest son only can rule. They automatically becomes the next ruler. In the monarchy, the monarch decides how much freedom the subject will get. In constitutional monarchy, however, the monarch shares the power with the people. Can you understand now? Once again, I am explaining you. In this form of government, a monarch or a king or queen holds the crown by hereditary rights. After the death of king, After the death of king, usually the eldest male child is made next king. Okay, next king. The monarch enjoy absolute powers to run and rule the country as he desires. அவர் என்ன நினைக்கிறாரோ அதன்படி தான் என்ன செய்ய முடியும், அங்க ஆள முடியும். அந்த ராஜாவோ அந்த ராணியோ நினைக்கிறத என்ன செய்ய முடியும், அங்க செய்ய முடியும். He usually governs the country with the help of group of wise people or advisor. Can you understand? For example, Saudi Arabia. Yes. See, dictatorship is there, military is there, republic is there, some government is there, democracy have a president and the parliament. I taught you now monarchy. Yes, monarch. M-O-N-A-R-C-H. Okay. See, I have given here monarchy. Yes, I said head of the state is hereditary portion. The king or a queen is a ceremonial head of the state. Yes, he or she have a power line. Okay. Now we are going to see a dictatorship. Now we are going to see about the dictatorship. In a dictatorship, power is captured by force by a single person or a group of people. People are usually denied the civil rights and freedom of association under the dictatorship. Pakistan has been under dictatorship several times. Last time it was under the military dictatorship of General Parvez Musharraf. People in Uganda suffered under the dictatorship of Idi Amin. In the short form, if I explain you means, in this form of government, the power to rule people rests on one person or a small group of people. Such power is obtained forcefully. A dictator takes away much of the people's freedom. Those who dare to criticize the government are severely punished. Now you can understand. And the already are the people now. Okay, va? The political or military power, wealth or social position is maintained by through the force. Next one is democracy. Already I said about the democracy. Yes, democracy is the government of the people, by the people, for the people. Such a government is made by people elected representative who govern the country for a fixed duration. If the people are unhappy with the functioning of the government, they can remove it from power. Even before the terms gets over, India is the largest country in the democracy. India is the largest democracy in the world. Democracy means Jananayagam. Okay. The source of power for all the levels of government in a democracy is the constitution. In the constitutions. In this democracy, we have two types. That is direct democracy and indirect democracy. It's a direct democracy and indirect democracy. Indirect democracy, people directly participate in the government of a country. In direct democracy, people do not participate in the government. Can you understand now, children? people இங்க வந்து அவங்களே participate பண்ணலாம் கவர்மெண்ட்ல அவங்களுடைய கண்ட்ரியில அவங்களே என்ன செய்யலாம் participate பண்ணலாம் but in indirect democracy the people do not participate in the government. In direct democracy may be practical for the country with small populations, but indirect democracy may be practical for the country with its vast population. In direct democracy, the country provides the opportunity to every member of the society to tell her view. But in indirect democracy, the view of social groups is important and the majority is always influential in the formation of the policy or rules. Can you understand now? Well, in the Nepal till recently had a monarchical form of government. Now it has a democratic government. In the Nepal, Gahendira is the ruling now. See this picture. This lady is name. What is the name? Aung San Suu Kyi. Aung San Suu Kyi. She is born June 19th in 1945 in Burma. She is a human rights activist, Nobel Peace Prize winner and the current state councillor of Myanmar. She brought democracy to her country with non-violence. She is the leader of the National League for Democracy in Burma and a famous prisoner. She is a right activist and opposition leader whose party they defect them. She became a decades-long non-violent struggle for democracy and human rights in Burma, now in Myanmar. In late, he died in the 1980s. Yes. She eventually made her to a facto leader of that country. Since 2016, she held multiple governmental posts in Myanmar. Okay. Magna Carta. See, what is a Magna Carta? Do you know, children? Did you hear these words? See, this 1215 charter required King John of England to allow certain liberties to the common people. So, this was the first step towards democracy in the world. Okay. See, in this Magna Carta, in the 13th century, Magna Carta is described as the greatest constitutional documents of all times, the foundation of the freedom of the individual against the arbitrary authority of the despot. See, in the Magna Carta, the king wants to agree what the power is given there. So he wanted to restrict by the law, and he had to obey the law like all other people. If he broke the law, it could be removed from the nobles. See, Magna Carta is a legal document. Okay, it is forced by the English king, forced to stamp in 1215. Okay, it is the limited the powers of the monarch and granted free man certain rights such as the right to fair and open trial. See, the Magna Carta serves a basics for the modern days government's constitutional documents and common law today. See, I said in the 13th century, in June of 1215, King John is wrote and is angry nobles. It is forced by the King John. He signed the document. So that document only is known as the Magna Carta. It is translated to the Great Charter. The nobles agreed that the monarch could continue to rule, and in turn the monarch was required to observe common law and traditional rights of the church. See, this document was intended to protect the right of the nobles and the church. However, over time, the people of England viewed it was a foundation for the protections of the liberty for all. Okay, that is, we can say. Now children, all of you take your classwork note and write it fast. Answer the following question in brief. What type of government is there in Great Britain? Great Britain is a constitutional monarch. The Queen is just a figurehead. The country is run by the elected parliament. What do you mean by monarch? In the monarchical form of government, a monarch means that is king or queen, holds the crown by hereditary right. The monarch enjoys absolute powers to run and rule the country. Children, all of you write today's date and day. Then you continue your work. Okay, children? That is good for you. Okay, children? Okay. Now you write neatly, write it fast, children. Write it fast, write neatly, children. All of you write fast. Whatever we are giving in this video, that day itself you want to finish. Okay, children? That is good for you, okay? This is continues that answer only for the second questions. As he designs, he usually governs the country with the help of group of wise people or advisor. For example, we can say Saudi Arabia and Yemen. Third question, what do you mean by dictatorship? In the dictatorships, power is captured by force by a single person or a group of people, and the general public is usually denied the civil rights and freedom of association. Example, Myanmar. Write neatly, children. Write it fast. and write neatly. Shall I ask one question to you, children? All are studying that day itself what I am giving the classwork to you. Can you finish? Did you studying or not? Did you study or not, children? Studying. I'm not getting your voice. Say loudly. Whatever we are giving that day, you study it. That is good for you, okay? Don't keep aside, okay? Fourth question. Name anyone ruler of early summer who was not enjoying absolute powers like the rulers of the later times. In the Magna Carta, the king agreed to let his power to be restricted by law. He had to obey the law like all other people. If he broke the law, he could be removed by the nobles. So Magna Carta means what? He's one of the king. That king is post one of the noble. That is one of the noble. Okay. So if he give any powers to restrict the law means they want to obey. Okay. That's is given here. Okay. If he broke the law, he could be removed from that nobles. Certain powers it is given to that king. Okay. Write it fast. Write neatly, children. Write fast. Some children's handwriting is not good. Some children's writing very nicely. Very good. I am watching your from here. Yes, is that no? Yes. Then you are sending the homework. In that one, I can know your handwriting is good or not. Okay. Some children's writing very nicely. Thank you, children. That is very good for you. Okay. Write it fast and write neatly. Children, all of you take your homework page, fill in the blanks. Dash is a democracy in the world. Dash is the democracy in the world. Second one, Great Britain is a constitutional dash. Third one, democracy comes from the dash words. The new government of America adopted the dash. Fifth one, dash became the first nation to achieve universal suffrage in dash. Children, you have to find from your book, okay? Very easy only. If you listen my class, you can write easily, yes or no? Yeah. I know my children are very clever. Yeah? Yeah, they will watch my TV video. Yes, not a TV video, okay? So, you can write very easily. Yes or no, children? Yeah. Did you understand this class? Okay. Children, don't waste your time. Unnecessary. Don't waste your time. This is very good time to improve your handwriting, for studying the books, story books. Yes, we have more time. Yes or no? Yeah. So, whatever we are giving in that video, we have to study in that day itself. Okay. Send your homework through your WhatsApp group. Okay, some children you are not sending. That is not good for you, children. If you are not getting the book from the school, children, you get the book from the school. Okay. So study is one of the important in our life. Yeah, this life is for you only. Yes, you have to use this life. So don't waste. Okay, children. Do fast. Okay. Did you finish? All of you wrote? Very good. Send the homework. Okay, children? Stay home. Stay safe. Thank you, children, for everyone.